आज निफ्टी एक्सपायरी थी and market gave another gap down opening, this time below the consolidation range that had been holding for the last 2 weeks. Two trades, smart exits, a strong profitable day. But today was not just about profit. There are some important risk management decisions that made all the difference. Let's break it all down. Today is Tuesday, 12th of May 2026, Nifty expiry session, and expiry days are quite different from normal trading days. Theta decays faster, moves are sharper, and risk management becomes even more critical. Nifty opened gap down again, but आज का gap down extra significant था. Market opened below 23,800, which was the lower end of the consolidation range that Nifty had been holding for last 2 weeks. So the range had been intact for 2 weeks, broke at a very opening today. Additionally, market opened below previous day low and S1 both. ये सब clearly बोल रहा था आज का bias bearish है. So my plan was simple. Initially to take bearish trade. As soon as the market opened at 9:15, I observed the first candle's movement, and on getting confirmation, I entered a CE sell trade in 23,800 CE. This was an OTM 1 strike, meaning it was already out of the money. My entry premium was around 40. अब यहाँ एक important point है. When premiums are so low, waiting for a full target of 30 points is not practical, because with such low premium, even one swing in the wrong direction can quickly turn the trade into a loss. So I decided upfront, I won't wait for the full target, I'll watch the movement and exit when it makes sense. Market gave a good move, 23,700 broke and Nifty fell all the way to 23,620. At this point, I noticed something interesting. Bank Nifty had reached the 54,000 level. Now 54,000 is a psychological barrier. Round numbers like these are tracked by a huge number of traders and markets often take support or face resistance near them. My observation was Bank Nifty is unlikely to break 54,000 easily. It will either reverse or give big swings first. And if Bank Nifty reverses from here, that would directly affect my Nifty trade as well. Based on this, I decided not to wait any longer, exited the trade with around 28 points profit. और एक important point, ये expiry day था. Technically, this strike could have gone to zero by the end of the day. But waiting for zero on expiry day is very risky. Volatility is unpredictable and a sudden reversal can wipe out the entire profit. Smart exit, clean profit. Overall profit in this trade around 5,100. My second trade came after 1 pm. Market had been trending downside since morning. Near 23,500, consolidation was happening. Now I want to be upfront about this trade. It was inherently risky. Why? Because I was taking a pullback trade in a trending market. In a trending market, pullback trades have a very low success rate. The trend is working against you, and one wrong candle can quickly push the trade into loss. So before entering, I clearly defined my exit. As soon as the trade gives 2000 profit, immediate exit. No greed, no waiting for more. Near 23,500, market was showing support and reversal signs were forming. I entered 23,550 PE. अब ये ATM strike थी, at the money. At the money strikes on expiry day carry an additional risk, gamma. On expiry day, gamma is very aggressive, meaning the premium changes very rapidly in both directions. Move in your favor, quick profit. Move against you, quick loss. यही वजह थी कि strict exit plan जरूरी था. Trade gave the move and as soon as 2000 profit showed, मैंने तुरंत square off कर दिया. But here's something every trader should know. Slippage. When you exit at market price, especially on ATM strikes on expiry day, you don't always get the exact price showing on your screen. I had a 2000 target, but I got 1400. 600 lost in slippage. It's frustrating, but it's the reality of trading. Expiry में ATM strikes में slippage common है, and it should always be factored into your targets. Overall profit in this trade 1400. 2 trades done for the day stopped after trade 2. So the net profit of the day was 6,200. तो आज का दिन strong रहा. But more than the numbers, today had some important risk management decisions worth talking about. पहला lesson, low premium OTM trades need an adjusted exit strategy. Entry premium was 40, waiting for a full 30 points in that situation was not practical. जब premium low हो, exit strategy को accordingly adjust करना पड़ता है. दूसरा lesson, macro context matters. Bank Nifty at 54,000, a psychological level, directly influenced my Nifty exit decision. Never trade in isolation. Always look at the broader picture. तीसरा लेसन, हाई रिस्क ट्रेड्स नीड प्री डिफाइंड स्ट्रिक्ट एग्जिट्स. Trade 2 में I clearly acknowledged that this was a risky pullback trade, and because of that honest assessment I had a strict exit plan ready. Acknowledging risk and planning around it, that is smart trading. चौथा lesson, slippage is real, especially on expiry day. On ATM strike, always factor slippage in your targets. 2000 target रखा, 1400 मिला. This is the reality of trading, and accepting it is part of the process. Overall, today was a good day, not just because of the profit, but because of the decisions. Waited for confirmation at the open, used macro context to time the exit, kept a strict plan on a risky trade. ये सब चीज़ें लॉन्ग टर्म कंसिस्टेंसी के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. एक्सपायरी डेज पे आप कैसे ट्रेड करते हैं? OTM प्रेफर करते हैं या ATM? एंड स्लिपेज, हैव यू एवर फेस्ड बिग स्लिपेजेस ऑन एक्सपायरी डे? हाउ डिड यू हैंडल इट? Do let me know in the comment section. Would love to know your experience. Because at the end of the day, this channel is all about learning and improving together. अगर इस वीडियो से वैल्यू मिली, फील फ्री टू लाइक द वीडियो. और अगर आपको ये रियल ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन्स पसंद आते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. लेट्स improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.